Young Yerowood. Today, I'm going to show you my $100 Yes Style haul. I haven't tried any of the products yet. None of these are repeat purchases. All of them are like skincare products that I want to try. Half of them are like more for anti-aging because I'm already reaching my 30s next year, so I am starting to prepare for that. It's really important to start early, but not really late already. Anyway, the other half are more for moisturizing my skin and keeping it glowing as much as possible. So let's start. I'll take you through my haul. These two are from GINYNJA. So I've always wanted to try their Time Revolution line. They said it's a great dupe for the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I did try it RN. I've had amazing results from that. So I want to try this. Right. So here's the nice little bottle. It's the pre-bio ampoule. It's also a night repair product. So maybe they really did it as a dupe. I'm not sure if American brands also do this, but what I really like about a lot of Korean brands is they have a part where you can show or where you can write the open date for the product. That's really good if you want to keep track of, or if you, well, you should keep track of the expiration date. Most of these have those little icons that say they expire in 12 months or 24 months after opening. So it's really good that there's a place for you to write down when you opened it, so you know when you need to throw it out. This one is anti-wrinkle, and it also has brightening effect. So I'm excited to try if that will work for me. Of course, I can't use the ampoule alone. Well, I can, but products or what I learned is that for skincare products, it's great if you really take time for doing the steps. I don't do all like the 10, 11 steps of Korean skincare, but I do swear by cleansing, moisturizing, cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and then what's next? Then all the beautiful creams and what have you that you apply. The time that I was ordering this one, I didn't really see if it had like an exact counterpart as an essence or the first treatment before you apply the ampoule or a serum, but I just chose this one because it's also a Time Revolution. I think there are 3 kinds of time, or even 4 kinds of Time Revolution lines from GINYNJA. So I'm gonna try this pre-bio ampoule with the first treatment essence. It says RX. I'm not sure if that means it's like prescription strength or something. This one is also for firming and brightening. So yeah, they can be together. Okay, so I also shopped around for other anti-wrinkle products. This is from the Skin House. So it's Wrinkle Super Serum. Oops. This is the Wrinkle Super Serum. It's also an anti-wrinkle serum. Oh, this one, it doesn't have that where you can put the extension. The Wrinkle Super Serum from the Skin House, it's not alcohol free. Upon reading the products, there are. My child, look up. It's not alcohol free, so if you're conscious about that, skip this. Next one, it's also an anti-wrinkle cream. This one is the Black Snail Wrinkle Cream, also from the Skin House. What I usually do is, after cleansing and toning, I apply my serum, and then, or wait, no. After cleansing and toning, I apply my essence, and then I put on my serum. Apply the thinnest consistency first, and then you move on to the thicker ones. So after the liquid essence, I apply my serum, and then I apply my cream. So yeah, I'm planning to use this when I move on to the Skin House serum already. It's also an anti-wrinkle cream. What's great about Skin House is they had a freebie event when I ordered that. So I have a full size. This is their green tea collagen cream. Collagen, it's not just for anti-aging. It's great for moisturizing also no matter your age. And green tea is very good when you have a lot of breakouts. So that's something you can use if you experience a lot of breakouts. Actually, it's also anti-wrinkle. So I didn't know that. That's great. So yeah, you can use these together. Well, not really together, but yeah, alternately, I guess. Next one, we have Youth Glycolic Acid 30% Gel Peel. It's a retinol green tea. It's a retinol green tea gel. It supposedly has exfoliant properties. It will also help you with fine lines, wrinkles, pore size, dark spots, breakouts, and scarring. So what I like about glycolic acid actually is for the scar treatment. I'm actually planning to try it on my stretch marks. I know that for stretch marks, you can't really beat them without surgery, especially if they've been there for a long time, and that stretch marks are genetics, so there's nothing you can do, blah blah blah. But you know, I want to experiment while I'm not pregnant yet. Anyway, so I want to experiment with this. I'm gonna try this on my stretch marks on my stomach, and I'll give you a review on that also. Of course, you can't forget your eye cream when you're talking about anti-aging products. This one is from Medicower. It also has collagen. It's an anti-wrinkle eye cream. Right now, what I'm using is an eye cream from Elizaveta. I've really been loving it actually. The next one I'll use is this one. So it's very hydrating, which is very important to avoid eye bags and fine lines around the eyes. Speaking of Elizaveta, I also ordered their Rich Piggy Health Pore Control Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It's a really cute box. And if you're wondering if the products from me is still legit, they have authenticity seals and everything, so you can double check. Yeah, here's the serum. What I really like about hyaluronic acid is how it helps you moisturize your skin, keeps it supple, and just keeps you glowing. And I actually use hyaluronic acid also on my armpits. So yeah, your armpits also need moisture, and whenever I try other products, they can irritate my armpits, but hyaluronic acid, it's something that my underarms are okay with. So yeah, you can try that if you want to experiment. Alright, moving on, I also have this Hyal Glow Rose Essence. So this is from Neogen. I shared before how I love Neogen's day cream and night cream. I'm almost gonna run out of them, so good thing I have a lot of reserve. But yeah, those lasted me for months or more. Since I really like the brand, I looked for other products that I can buy from them, and I found this one so pretty. It has 8 types of hyaluronic acid plus that rose component. So I really want to try this to see if it will give me like a rosy glow or something. I think that's what I've been missing. I'm actually happy with my skin texture already, but it's missing certain glow, you know. So yeah, try this. I'm using still the day cream and the night cream, as well as the toner for purifying toner from Neogen. Okay, next one is the Canola Propolis Moist Serum. This one is also from the Skin House, and it's good for all skin types. It's very hydrating also. So what I like about propolis is also gives you a glow aside from brightening your skin. So I really wanna try this. So I'll put this here together with its other friends. Anyway, the next one, speaking of brightening, I have two products here that are vitamin brightening products. So let's go with this first one. It's from GINYNJA, an all-day vitamin brightening and balancing serum also. This one was actually free from YesStyle. I'll do a dedicated review for this, and I think I'll try this probably next week. So yeah, watch out for that. Then we have the Ample Vitamin C from Pretty Skin. So yeah, this one also. Okay, what's the difference between ampoules and serums? Frankly, I don't know. But yeah, their difference from moisturizers are they're much more concentrated, so you get better results with them instead of when you just use ordinary moisturizers and creams. This one is brightening and moisturizing, and it has vitamin C, which is really good for brightening, so that's why I got a bottle of that. Alright, lastly I have the Some by Me Real Tea Tree Centella Asiatica HA PHA 30 Days Miracle Starter. I'm really excited to get my hands on this. I like that it says 30-day miracle something, so when I switch up my routine, it's gonna be a whole month that I don't have to worry about anything else. Comes with a cleansing bar. Hello. A toner, a serum, and a cream. So yeah, comes with this one with some J. So yeah, that's really good. The bottles are very good as toys for your kids. Alright, so good thing I was down to the last product. But this one, the acids are really good to apply every now and then, because you need to like gently peel your skin to reveal the beautiful skin. So every now and then, think of acids also for gentle exfoliation. And what's great when you order on YesStyle is from time to time they have freebies. So this time around I got the Peslo, Pantemide, Anthol, and Ceramide cream, and the Burrito Snail All-in-One UV Cleanser. Maybe stops seeing random colors like pink, blue. What color? What color? Hey, Bryce, what color? What color? Oh, very good. What color? You don't know na. Green, di ba? That one, what color? Yellow and white. What color? This one. What color? Red. This one. What color? Oh, pink! Purple! He thinks pink and purple at the same. What color? Very good. How about this one? What color? Alright, so that's it. I hope you like my unboxing, my haul, and got some ideas on products you can integrate into your skincare routine. And I look forward to I am going to make reviews on some of them. I'm gonna integrate them in my skincare routine like I did the other products, and I'll give you a review on most of them. I'm sure most of them I'll use them. So yeah, see ya, annyeong!